Hi there everybody. Today I am coming to you with the FabFitFun Winter Editor's Box. The Editor's Box is when you sign up for the first time, but the winter box in my case had already gone out. So I got kind of an editor's box. It's not exactly the same that was in the winter box, but I don't have to wait till spring to get my first box. I was able to pick out the majority of the stuff that I got in this box, and I'm excited to open it up. I've had it for a few days, so let's see what I got. I've been at home today with a sick one, so we kind of just hung out at home, and it's a good day for filming. The Winter Editor's Box also comes with a magazine. It looks a little tousled in there, but that's okay. Sorry, it took me a minute, like I didn't recognize some of this. The first thing that I see on top says Jennifer Zuner Jewelry. It's in a little felt white bag. Oh, okay, I remember this now. It's a gold necklace that has little hearts on either side here. It even has instructions on the back on how to care for your jewelry. This says it is the Jennifer Zuner Double Star Necklace. It's worth $50, and there's several ways to style it. Very pretty. Whoops. The other choices for this option were Lights, Camera, Lashes 4-in-1 Mascara from Tarte, an Ico London black eyeliner, also Burn 60 resistance bands for exercising, and a Stone Cold Fox. No, that one was a separate selection. Let's see what else I got. I have been trying to get more jewelry and up my jewelry, increase my jewelry collection. Next is this. It's a Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm. I believe this is something that everyone got in their own box. Or I might have picked this, I don't know. It says, heal dry and damaged skin, including burns, scrapes, and more with this natural balm. The other choices, I believe, were the notebook, some wooden spoons, and Intelligent Ingredients micro polish, and a gym bag. And this one I was really excited to see as a choice. This is the Bluetooth shower speaker. I know this sounds strange, but I've always wanted a shower speaker. You know, when you're listening to an ebook or some music and you know you need to go take a shower, but you don't want to stop, now you can listen in the shower. It's got a suction cup that looks like it can come off. And it came with a charging cord and the instructions. Let's see what it says in the book about that. Use water-resistant speaker to blast your favorite tunes up to 32-foot range. And also in that choice, it looks like you could have chosen the a hat, also a Radial Dragon's Blood Hyaluronic Mask, a Dr. Brandt Skincare Pores No More Illuminator, or a Grown Alchemist, what is that? A facial mask. I think I got a good choice. Next I see a Skin & Co. It is a Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh. I believe I got this in my fall 2019 box and I gave it away, but let's see what's in here. I think this is must have been something everybody got. This was a pick from FabFitFun. It is worth $35. Oh, I didn't tell you the shower thingy was worth $30. I don't know if I said that or not. So this soothes, protects, and illuminates skin with a dewy mist. Not real big on face mist, so I might pass this on to one of my daughters. No, I think I got the toner in the other one. So this would have gone with it. Maybe I'll give it to whoever I gave the toner to. Okay, let's see what's next. It looks like I got a hand cream. This is the Levito, and it says it is musk coconut shea butter, nourishing hand cream. Ooh, smells good. It's a thick cream. Honestly, it smells like my grandmother. Oh, there, and then the coconut hits you. So it's like a musk and coconut, which is an interesting combination. I'll throw this in my work bag. I always have very dry hands where I use the hand sanitizer so much. Let's see. I think this was probably a choice from FabFitFun. Let's look. Yes, this was one of their choices. I could have gotten the Spongella sponge in Sugar Dahlia, that hand cream, Invisibubble hair ties. I could have gotten coconut deodorant. Oh, a copper-plated measuring spoon. So that would have been good. Or I could have gotten a Barbarella bling brush. Oh, it's to clean your jewelry. That's neat. All right, what else? What's next? It says Victoria Land Beauty. Ooh, I blinded you. It's a skin-loving treatment for eyes and lips. Let's see what it looks like. Comes in a really cute pink bottle. It's interesting that it's eyes and lips. We'll see what it looks like. Oh, it's very thick. Doesn't really have much of a smell. Not a good smell anyway. But I'm always looking for a good eye cream, so that'll work. I also got, oh, these are good. I got the Black Cleanse and Exfoliate charcoal wipes. I can always use wipes to remove makeup and wash my face. Oh, let me go back to the eye cream. The choices for the eye cream were, I could have gotten, this is something that I selected, but I don't think I selected this. Interesting, I don't remember selecting the eye cream. But I could have gotten a Sela Cream, Della Cream body cream. The Free People Understated Leather Starry Eye Sleeping Mask in a mint color. Then the eye treatment that I got. And then the Skin Evolve Body Boost Gel. Or, no, that's it. I don't remember picking the eye cream. Maybe I did. And then, I think this is the last item. I was thinking there was a blanket, but no, that's not. That was the cost box. Okay. The last item is this tote. Let me open it up. I remember picking this. This is a faux, faux snakeskin bag. It looks like it has a pocket inside and then the rest is kind of a suede material. I didn't realize it was this short, but I think it'll still work. I got this for my work bag. Well, let's see what other choices we could have gotten. That is a $58 value. We could have gotten the candle. It looks like a tricolor scarf, which I got in the fall, and it looks like a uniscarf. I don't remember all of those options on the website when I ordered. Maybe some of the options had sold out. That might have been what it was. I could have sworn that I picked this notebook as one of the choices. Maybe it sold out before they got it to me. Yeah, and I don't remember having this as a choice or these as a choice. So, but that was... I'm confused. But I did get some really good things. Let's review. We got the Restore Balm, the shower speaker, which was $30. These wipes. Well, I'm looking to see those. These are $19.95. The eye cream, which I don't remember picking. It says it's a $55 cream. This hand cream, which was one of their picks that they picked for me, $14. This truffle oil stuff that I wasn't really excited about was $35. I guess I just don't know what it's supposed to do. It smells like mint. is that it? Oh, I can't forget. I do remember picking this necklace. So my favorite things, I believe, are the necklace, the handbag, and then the shower speaker. So I'm excited to see what comes in the spring box. This just doesn't seem like what I picked out. Exactly what I picked out. Is that weird? So I'm not exactly 100% thrilled, but we'll see what the spring box brings. Thank you for joining me. Stay tuned for more videos.